4. Oh, guys, this is kind of terrifying to me. And 4. Whoa, whoa. 4 nubs, and whoa, look at that. Came right off. You see, which I shall do. Do not adjust the windshield while you are driving. Yeah, that's it.
Welcome to Motos, Cades, and Coffee.
Morning, guys. It's Andy from Motos, Cades, and Coffee. I'm going to give you an unbiased video review on the MadStad Engineering Harley Davidson Pan America Special Windshield. Hopefully you can take a look at my install video. It went pretty well, about an hour. It was a little complicated, but got it done. So I'm going to give you my unbiased opinion on it. I have about 80 miles on it so far, and I'm going to go put some more miles on today and give you my pros and cons of it. First off, I think it looks great. I think it's a very solid piece. It's more solid than the stock Harley Davidson windshield. You can see it doesn't wiggle, and the mounting is pretty nice. Pretty simple operation. You loosen these right here, and the windshield can slide down. I've talked to MadStad Engineering. Their customer service has been really good. What they said is they have had 2 people test ride review before they put this out. They sent me updated instructions. Looks like it was derived from an Africa Twin installation, but that is what it looks like. At the rake is about 60 degrees. You want it about the same rake as the forks, and it is the same rake as the forks, as you can see right there. Now, another owner told me about this. I knew you can move it up and down, but what I did not know is it tilts backwards and forwards too. So I was moving it up and down, but I wasn't lifting it backwards and forwards. So let me try it. that. So again, you can go up and down, but you can also go backwards and forwards. That I didn't notice. I'm gonna try it in the lowest position, tallest position, and backwards and forwards, up and down. And then we'll see what else we can do. The other thing I've heard is get another set of rubber washers right here. So I'm gonna go to the hardware store. If that doesn't fix it, get some extra rubber washers and see if I can put those in right here to adjust the pitch of the windshield. All right, so first thing I want to do is I'm going to try lowest position, pitch all the way back towards me. So we're going to just try a couple different settings here. So it is now pitched back closest to me, and the pitch back puts it so my visor's up right now. My windshield, my visor from my helmet's up, and this steep rake puts it back into my helmet, or like where my eyebrows are. So I'm going to put my windshield down and see if it gets rid of the buffeting. I'm going to have to increase my speed, so I'm going to have to get to a different place to ride so I can go a little faster. So I think pitch back towards me is going to be my least favorite. All right, let's go. Yep, I hear the buffeting right at the ears still. That's not going to do it. The buffeting actually seems to be below my sun visor. So I'm going to go pitch it all the way forward now. Let's see what happens. Can't get these loose. Again, this is why they don't say it. Let's see. So these got to be really loose in order to go forward. That's what I did not know. There they go. So it's all the way forward. Okay. In the lowest position, all the way forward. By the way, this Pan America is just so nice to rip around on. Holy moly. It's not, it doesn't feel heavy, tall, or awkward when you're on it. It is vibrating my helmet, well, at really high speeds. Triple digit, it vibrates the helmet. 70, 80, 60, 70, 80. A little bit of wind noise. But the high speed wind pocket's pretty good. I still feel the blasting on my chest a little, or my stomach a little bit. Not my chest, but my stomach. What we'll do is we're gonna try in the tallest position, with it raised up all the way. Right here at 88 miles an hour, it's not that bad. I'm getting a little vibration on the helmet. Not bad. And it's actually a lot quieter than stock. Hop in here and raise the windshield a little bit. Alright. Okay, all the way forward and all the way up. Let's go. Let's see where we're at. Let's see what that does. Alright, here we go. Maybe a tiny whistle. Yep, I hear a whistle at 49 miles an hour. There's absolutely no buffeting at all. Oh, gone. Oh man. All right. So there's no buffeting on the helmet at all. Yes. And there's no low rumble on the helmet at all. Yes. Okay. It is gone. High speed. All right. Don't try this at home. Okay. High triple digit speeds. Well, sorry. Triple digit speeds. No rumble. It is solved. It is fixed. I am happy. I can recommend this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Alright, so I am much happier. Wow, okay. Completely different review than when I started. But what I can tell you right now is that there's no buffeting. I can lift my helmet up high and it is not causing any vibration. And it's very quiet. Guys, I'm pretty happy. Okay, so I said no vibration, maybe 10% of the vibration I felt before at 70 to 85 miles an hour. There is a whistle still when at lower speed, but not horrible. I can keep my helmet up. I still feel the vibration on my tummy, or the lower belting on my tummy. Mainly on the left side of all things. No matter where it is, it's always been on the left side. Guys, I better start my ride review again. I gave a really poor review on it before, but this is the second time I've given this review, and it's kind of needed to be done. The windshield can go up and down and pitch back and forth, but it's not really clear, and it's not really in the manual how that's done. I had to find that out by some other owners telling me how to do that. So I'm going to give you my pros on the windshield, and I'll give you my cons. I'm going to start off with the cons right now. The cons: there is a whistle on it, and however I've adjusted those settings, the whistle's starting about 40-50 miles an hour. If I have it low or high, there is a whistle on it. The other con, and this is a small one, is that there's a wind buffet that hits my stomach below my navel, mainly on the left side. It definitely has more of a wind buffet on the stomach. There's another con, is that you can't adjust it on the ride, on the fly. In the lowest position, there is a rumble on the helmet. The rumble appears right above the ears, and it's a vibration that it makes your helmet vibrate at very high speeds. It's noticeable and not fun. In the highest position, which I have the windshield right now, rumble disappears almost completely, maybe 5-10% of what it was, no matter what the speed. There's an incredible pocket of smooth air right in front of you, even at triple-digit speeds, and very quiet. So that's fantastic. Another thing that I love. So we're going to the pros. I love the looks of it. I think it looks good, and it's very stable. So I like it. You get rid of the instability problem on the stock windshield. It's more quiet. I'm hearing a lot more engine noise than I ever did. That's because I'm hearing less wind noise. It gets rid of the funky distortion that was right here on the stock windshield. I hated that. It was bad for motovlogging. And this one is gone. So very happy about that. And I will say, there used to be, in the stock windshield, you almost have to bend down no matter what height the windshield's at, because it would hit, the turbulence would start hitting right at the visor lip of my Arai XD4 helmet. Did not like that at all, and you had to bend down. This one gets rid of that. There is one more thing. You can almost see it in the reflection there. The light does reflect at night. When you make a right or left, and the turn sensitive lighting really reflects and almost blinds you in the MadStad windshield. You could see it in the stock Harley windshield, but this one, it actually really reflects badly at nighttime. So it's a lot more reflective of that the turn. Would I buy it for $391? Yeah, I think so. I think so. Shipped to me $391. Is it absolutely perfect? No, it is not. I'd just like cheaper. I'd like about half that price. That's what I'd like to see. But it is better for motovlogging, and I think that's the main thing. And it's going to be quieter, and it should make for better videos. So, am I happy with it? Yes, yes I am. And the customer service from MadStad has been pretty good, so I can't complain there. All right, so video review number 2. First one wasn't quite fair to the windshield, but yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. Yeah, again, you got to loosen those up there. One-handed, not great. You got to make sure they're really loose. There we go. So see that? Down, up, and forward. All right, let's tighten it. Hopefully this gave you a little bit of purchase decision idea. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Please watch my installation video right here, and again, like and subscribe. That really helps me out, provide you additional content. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your Pan America or whatever you ride. We'll catch you on the next episode.